Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yours truly, Johnny Belize, and I got my grandson there, Miles. We're heading to
the
Lake Driftwood to do some fishing. Check it out.
Send it out.
What's that again? Say it again.
I know how to fish, but car.
Sorry, don't worry about it.
So I know how to fish, but I just don't know how to use like the thing to send it out.
All right, well, you got to keep your rod in the air first of all before you break it.
Sorry.
Right? And then we won't have no rod at all. All right. Number two, remember what I said. Our lure that we got on there is top secret government information, and you can't tell nobody what we're using.
Yeah, but you're just telling them right now.
No, I'm not telling them what it is. All I'm saying is it's top secret government information. Now, hold on, I got a rock in my shoe. All right, now we're ready to rock and roll. Right? So if someone says, what are you using? What are you supposed to say?
Nothing.
That's right. Nothing, or you say, I can't tell you. It's top secret government information.
Top secret government information.
Right. And if you
Someone else, this is
Nah. See, they don't know the spot. That's why he's on there. Don't worry about it. And if you tell them that if I tell you what it is, guess what?
You're going to get in trouble.
Not only that, but the FBI is going to come at your door.
Yeah.
All right? So let's spin this around. We'll show everybody Lake Driftwood. All right. So this is Lake Driftwood. And yesterday was Halloween at the campground, right? So here we have some scarecrows here. They're all done up. One pair of pants hanging in the tree, right? That must have been after a domestic. So, yep. This is, we had Halloween at Driftwood, right?
Yeah.
Here's Lake Driftwood. So, on this side of the lake, you're not allowed to fish.
I know.
Why? Do you know why?
Yeah, because you can get arrested for it.
You not get arrested for it, but the Driftwood police will come here and say, you got to fish on the other side.
Yeah.
And most importantly, come over here. We got to show everybody something important, right? This is your first lesson of the day, dude. Come over here. What does that sign say? You know?
Fishing.
No, it says catch and release. Pointing here, right? Pointing to the left. Do you know what catch and release means?
Yeah, when you catch it, you got to release it.
You got to release it, right? So that means we can't keep the fish.
Yeah.
All right?
I didn't know that, so I was going to ask to keep it so I can have a goldfish.
All right, well, there's no goldfish in here.
Yeah.
They got bass and they got sunnies, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. So, all right, I taught you how to put your finger on there, right? You got your finger on there, right? You don't squeeze it, just like that, right? Yeah. And then when you throw it out there, when you get to swing it out, then you let your finger go and it goes out, right? Let's see how you do. There you go. Now reel it in. Good job, dude. You just start reeling, that's all. Remember, keep your rod low. All right. Or you're going to get caught on something here. We got to, look, you're going to get caught. All right, round two. Now, Jaji taught you. Put your finger on it, flip it down, and give it a nice cast. Where'd it go? Know what you're probably doing? You're probably releasing too soon. All right. Now stop only a certain way, right? Up. Too much. Hold on. All right, so you got your finger on it, right? All right. Now, as you're getting ready to throw it out, make sure you release your finger. Oh, so you're not doing it far enough. You're gonna learn. Just reel it in, dude. Just reel it in. Do everything I taught you. Get it lined up. Good job. Put your finger on there. Not too far. Put your finger on there, right? And throw it hard like you're throwing a baseball. Real hard like you're throwing a baseball. Perfect, dude. Now start reeling. Keep your rod low. Keep your rod low. Don't stop. Attaboy. Not too fast. All right, stop. You're going to reel it all the way up to the top. Hold on. Let's fix that now. Hold on.
Use hot dog.
What's that?
I should use hot dog.
You don't need hot dogs. You know why?
Why?
Because I got top secret government stuff here, okay? So we don't need hot dogs, right?
Yeah.
Trust me when I tell you that. And again, if everyone says, what are you using? What are you supposed to say?
No, top secret.
Top secret stuff, all right? So don't tell nobody. No hot dogs. Never no hot dogs.
Let's go.
Just keep reeling, dude. Keep reeling. There you go. All right, now stop a certain way. Line up your line. Line up your thing the right way. You can reel it up some more, dude. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. All right, now line it up and do what I taught you.
Lined up.
You tell me, is it lined up? All right, put your finger on it. Pay attention to your hook, dude. Gotta pay attention to your hook. One finger. Not your middle one, your first one. You want the number 1 sign. Attaboy, just one finger. Nice and hard. Wow, that was a good one, dude. All right, start spinning. Keep your rod low. Rod low and to the side. Uh-oh, you're caught again. You know why? Because you're...
Dodgy, did you this fart?
What's that?
Dodgy, did you this fart?
Yeah, why? You never farted before?
Yes.
Listen, when you're out fishing with the guys and you got to cut one out, dude, you cut one out. Right?
Alright.
Listen, yo, when you fish, everybody farts once in a while, dude. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, don't worry about it then. Don't stop reeling. Get closer to the bank, dude. You're going to stop, you're going to get caught. See, you got caught. Oh, okay. Now listen. Huh? You want to be done?
Yeah, because they're not catching anything.
Well, it's not called getting, it's called fishing.
Yeah, but all the fish is over there.
No, there's fish all over in here. What are you talking about? Oh, we're going to catch some fish. All right, Miles, well, check us out, dude.
Yeah.
We did our best, right?
We didn't catch anything.
Well, you're not supposed to. Listen, you don't always catch fish, right?
I'm not saying that.
And most importantly, check us out. Most importantly, today was a learning thing, right?
Yeah.
What did I teach you to do today?
Cast
Cast the spinning rod, right?
You line up your finger on the line, and then you flip this.
Right.
And it's funny.
And then what happens? What happens if you stop reeling?
You don't catch anything.
Well, not only that, you're going to catch something, but what are you going to get?
A stick.
You're going to get a stick. You're going to get snagged, right?
Yeah.
So, just because we didn't catch anything today means we didn't learn anything, right?
Yeah.
Was today the first time you ever used a spinning rod?
Yeah.
All right. So,
Second time using it, because the last time we remember we were here, we
yeah,
went fishing.
that's right.
There was 5. Good
Yeah.
morning. Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Good.
Good, how are you?
That's very nice of you, dude. Very good. So, just remember, just because you don't catch fish, it's not about always catching fish, right?
Yeah.
It's about just getting out, learning some things, right? So today's video, we got you just learning how to cast a rod,
Yeah.
right? Was it fun?
It was fun. Sort of.
Sort of. All right, well,
But I hope next time we're going to get something.
well, there's steps involved, right? And once you start getting better with the rod, then you'll start catching stuff. All right, so for Johnny, Belize, and who?
Miles.
Miles. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch up with you later.